getting pretty angry in there.
Wait! Bowser said the volcano was going to erupt! What does that even mean?
I think I can guess. Ooh, I love sightseeing! Me too! I've never seen a volcano before! Look! He looks just like Mario!
Oh, hey, Fizzy and Phoebe! We're on quite the adventure.
Stop right there.
Aww! How does he always manage to find us?
Return my coins. Now!
Coins?
Yes, my coins. Return them to me now.
I think you're getting confused, Bowser.
Confused? I'll show you confused. Ah!
Ooh, pretty!
Oh, everybody, run!
Phew! That was lucky! Yeah, but that volcano wasn't very happy! Jumping toadstools! Look at this slime!
Wait, don't touch it!
But it looks so pretty!
No, Toad!
But look! There's something inside! I think you're right, Toad! Miss Hands, we need a hand!
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Uh-oh, slime balls? That's not good.
Hey, Miss Hands! Could you help us open them? Please, 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 please!
Of course, Phoebe. All right, let's open this yellow one. I wonder what's inside. Here it goes. Whoa! Look at all of this yellow, stretchy, wobbly slime. And wait, what's that? There's something glowing. It looks like
A coin! Cool! That must be the coin Bowser's talking about! Alright! Let's open another one! Ooh, how about the pink one?
good choice, Phoebe. All right, I wonder what's inside this pink slime ball. Here we go. Whoa, so sticky. We've got some super wobbly pink slime and
We're meant to be looking for Bowser's gold coins, not playing with stretchy unicorns. But it's so cute!
Hey everyone, look! Over there! This green slime is glowing! You're right, Lou! Quick, Miss Hands! Can we open it? Of course we can, Mario! Whoa! Look at all of this sticky, gloopy slime! Wait, I think I see something!
Yay! Another gold coin!
Interesting. Alright, Miss Hands, let's try the orange one! Alright, Mario. Inside the orange one, we have... Whoa! Some orange, wibbly, wobbly slime and...
A dinosaur! This is a disaster!
It's alright, Phoebe, it's alright. Look, it's a friendly, squishy dinosaur. Squish, squish, squish. Look, Miss Hands, there's another slime ball over there. And this time, it's blue. Oh yeah, look, there it is. Whoa, it's glowing too. Quick, Miss Hands, open it. All right, Toad, let's see what's inside the blue slime ball. Here we go. Whoa, look at this blue sticky slime and all right. Woohoo! It's another gold coin.
All right. We've got one more slime ball. This time it's purple.
Mamma mia! That's glowing so brightly! You're right! There must be something super shiny inside. Come on, let's find out! Whoa! We've got some purple, wibbly, wobbly slime. But wait, what's that? Wow! Look! It's a green diamond! Wow! That is awesome!
Yeah, and so pretty.
Did I hear diamond?
You sure did, Bowser.
Alright! So, do you have my gold coins?
We do have your gold coins, Bowser, but we promise we didn't take them.
Hey everyone! I've got a great idea! Why don't we share them?
Yay! I love sharing.
Share? Oh, fine, if I have to.
Oh, come on, Bowser. It's not that bad. Hey, why don't we all go back to our place? Yeah, we could have pizza.
Awesome sauce! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time. Hey, Mario, should we put some mushrooms on there?
No, not mushrooms.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Blah.